Hello and welcome to Wellness Talk TV, your weekly guide to virtual wellness. This is Nino Bautista, the founder of BSC Laboratories, pharmacist and vitamin specialist. I look forward to helping you get answers to today's most important health issues. While we keep our distance to stop the spread of COVID-19, staying active is critical for both our physical and mental health. Today we are going to discuss why it is very important and what you can and cannot do, and how to stay on track with your exercises routine. Of course, joining us today to share his fitness journey and some easy fitness hacks that he can do at home, we have a model, actor, and fitness enthusiast, Mr. Larby Policarpio. Hi, Larby. Okay. Medyo naka-mute lang si Larby. Hold on. Larby, naka-mute ka ngayon.
Yan, hello?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, sorry. Hi guys, hello. Thank you so much for being here. And tawag dito, thank you for having me, Nino. Sorry, we are late, but eto na kami ngayon. And I know you guys wanted to know something about fitness and other stuff. And let's get it.
Yeah, Larbs. Alam mo, ano ba to? Kamusta ka ngayong ngayong quarantine? I mean, how are you when we started the quarantine last March? Kailan to? March 14 ba to?
Kamusta ako ngayong quarantine? Tama ba ako? Sorry?
Yeah, kamusta ka ngayong yung quarantine, the whole quarantine natin ngayon? Paano ka ba ngayon? Paano mo ba na-maintain yung fitness goals mo at saka yung weight goals mo?
Well, actually, I am coping up and tawag dito, I'm getting used to this new normal, na tinatawag natin. And we have to deal with what's happening right now around the world and of course here in our country. What we need to do lang is to be parang extra careful and always sanitize and yun. When it comes to to health, I'm pretty much okay and I think I'm fit enough and healthy.
Yeah. Alam mo, Larbs, ang dami nanonood sa atin ngayon kasi
paano ko ba makikita?
Okay, ito, ipakita natin yung mga comment nila from Jane Cleopas. Marami tayong matututunan today from Sir Larbs. Ayan, thank you so much for watching, Jane Cleopas. And ang dami-dami naghihintay sa kanila ngayon kasi Larbs ngayon, mamimigay tayo ng 10,000 pesos na cash. Of course.
Oh my God, I heard that. Yes!
Yes!
Alam mo, may ganyan ako. Wait lang. Hindi ako papayag na ikaw lang.
May bell ka rin
ako
ba? Okay.
Meron akong ganyan. Wait. Ito. Okay. Ready ka na sa ko?
Okay, ulitin natin. Okay. Mas matindi-tindi ngayon yan. Of course, aside from 10,000 pesos cash, mamimigay tayo ng 5 malanalo ng 350 pesos na cellphone load. And of course, Cosmo C and Cosmo Body, yan. Kailangan natin ito ngayon.
Okay, ginagamit ko yan, ha?
Kailangan natin yan kasi for weight management and for immunity, ito yung kailangan magsabay sa atin ngayong quarantine kasi especially right now, hindi tayo nakaka-move. And of course, right now, because of the pandemic, kailangan mas malakas yung resistensya natin ngayon.
That's true. 100%.
Yeah, so ngayon yung mga watchers natin, mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, if you have questions for Larby Policarpio, guys, lagay nyo lang sa comment section and we're going to answer that, of course. Okay. So actually, Larbs, alam mo, meron tayong mga pinili dito na questions. Habang hihintayin natin yung tanong nila ngayon sa live. May questions sila dito. Okay. There you go. So we have here, why staying active is very important, Larby?
Why staying active is important? Well, if you are active and if you are staying active, it's really helpful when it comes to your health. Tawag dito, mas nagiging flexible ka, mas nagiging malakas ka, your immune system, of course, number one. And tawag dito, it's different. It's a different feeling if you're active and you are feeling good about yourself. Kasi if you have a great body and you feel that you are strong and motivated, and if you feel that parang you are different especially sa physical, it's a good thing. Nakakadagdag yun ng self-confidence. And tawag dito, marami kang pwedeng ma-inspire because of that. So it's really important. Para sa akin, it's really important. It's not just having a good body and tawag dito, ano yun, nakakatulong yun sa sarili, sa health natin.
I agree. Alam mo, alarms, of course, aside from that, alam naman natin as we spend more time at home to stop the spread of the COVID-19, it's easy to forget our daily activity routine. You know, many of our usual venues have closed. We're no longer getting incidental exercises, you know, from commuting or running errands. But especially, it's very important, you know, we still stay active during this time. Regular exercise is very good, both for physical and mental health. You know, ang daming benefits kasi nito bukod sa, of course, we wanna look good. If we look good, we feel good, right? But of course, number one,
that's true.
It reduces the risk of health conditions like the stroke and heart diseases. It's number one. It's obviously for controlling weight. And alam mo ba, it also reduces your stress and anxiety. And it also improves your sleep. So, ito yung if we still stay active the whole day kahit nasa bahay tayo, maraming benefits to na makukuha tayo, Larbs.
Yes, that's true. 100% true.
Okay, ito, meron tayo dito, ano nga ba daw yung physical activity you cannot do right now? Dami. Okay.
Madami. Workout sa gym.
Yeah, exactly.
Number one, X yan. Number one, guys. Kasi wala pang vaccine for COVID, and we don't know kung anong virus or bacteria ang pwedeng mga nasa metal na pwede nating hawakan sa mga waste. And kahit saan tayo pumunta. Kasi right now, marami pa rin cases. It's still increasing, and yung iba, nakakakuha sila ng COVID even they're just at home, and wala silang physical contact with anyone. So it's better be safe na sa bahay lang kayo. And yun, physical activities, number one sa akin, workout sa gym talaga mismo. Kasi medyo ano pa tayo doon medyo hirap pa tayo doon kung paano natin gagawin yan. But I heard na may mga gym na slowly nag-trial lang sila, pero hindi pa rin 100% safe.
Exactly. Tama ka dyan, Larbs. Kasi alam mo, we need to ensure pa rin the physical distancing to stop the spread of the virus. You know, actually, just yesterday, asa na ba tayo? Almost 40,000 na ba tayo ngayon yung cases natin, no? So, habang parami yung cases ng virus, it's very important na medyo iwasan muna natin itong mga lugar na to. Well, of course, number one, we cannot go to the gym. We cannot go to the health clubs and, you know, obviously the fitness centers. And the public swimming pools, definitely. We cannot go to the public swimming pools. Kaya goodbye muna tayo sa mga summer escapades natin.
Lamoy, yes. Mag-summer body na lang kayo, tapos saka na yung dagat.
Exactly.
Para ready kayo anytime soon na at least kung maganda na yung katawan ninyo, di ba? Di lalabas na lang kayo. Di ba?
Exactly.
Para mag-picture.
Aside from that, Labs, of course, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-attend ng mga organized sporting events. Of course, we cannot do that. We cannot attend the classes, the yoga, you know, the dance, you know, yung mga ginagawa sa mga community centers. And definitely, we cannot use pa the playgrounds or the outdoor gyms.
Especially sa kids.
Exactly. National parks, definitely, wala pa rin tayo up to now. And yung mga boot camp natin, yung mga group exercises, up to now, wala pa rin tayo ngayon. So, it's better na mag-workout muna tayo sa bahay, and then mas palakasin natin yung mas tutukan natin yung weight goals natin sa bahay. Balistahin natin yung mga questions nila, Larbs.
Yes, let's do this. Game.
Okay. So, meron dito, okay, dito sa amin, nag-open na yung gym. nakapag-gym na ulit ako. Wow. From Mox and Yumi Masagda.
Buti ka pa.
Buti ka pa, okay. Pero extra ingat lang din.
Ka.
Yes, extra ingat tayo, okay? From Jomer Dueñas, how to resist temptation eating unhealthy food?
Resist unhealthy food. Actually, lagi ko tong sinasabi sa mga virtual buddies ko. Yung mga favorite nyo na food and tip works dito nood. Okay. When it comes to unhealthy food, of course, pag sinabi nating unhealthy food, kasama na dyan yung favorite food ninyo. Lahat na yan. Milk tea, pizza, pasta, steak, everything na healthy food. Unhealthy food. Okay. Para ma-resist, makaiwas tayo doon. Sabi ko nga sa kanila doon sa virtual buddies ko, if you have a goal, tawag dito, like, for example, sa mga beginners, they want to lose weight. How to lose weight? Of course, lessen your food intake, especially mga oily foods. What else? Mga matatamis, sobrang sobrang alat. Babawasan natin yan ngayon. Okay, so when it comes to unhealthy food, yung mga milk tea, pizza, ganyan, tawag dito, bukod sa pag-iwas doon, dapat kung meron kayong goal, of course, kunyari, gusto nyong mag-tone down, gusto nyong magpapayat, gawin nyo siyang goal. Gawin nyo siyang, kunyari, kung everyday, lagi kayo nagmi-milk tea, lagi kayo nagpi-pizza, gawin nyo siyang Sunday lang. Tapos yung Monday to Saturday, mag-workout kayo, tumakbo kayo, anything na physical activity na magagawa nyo at home. Mm-hmm. Ngayon, yung mga lagi nyong kinakain, gawin nyo siyang reward. Gawin nyo siyang parang reward ninyo sa sarili ninyo after working out ng 6 days.
That's true. So meron tayong cheat day. Parang reward mo.
Yes.
Cheat day tayo. Yes.
At least yung 6 days mo, may ginawa ka, nakapagpapawis ka, or takbo ka lang kahit 30 minutes. Di ba? Every day. Push up ka, sit-ups, ganyan. Hindi mo namamalayan yung nakaugalian mo na lagi mong pagkain, nakakalimutan mo na. Tapos ginagawa mo na siyang routine. Hanggang increase ka lang ng ginagawa mo na physical activity na workout na makakatulong sa'yo to burn your calories, mga fats, ganyan. Tapos, yung food kasi na yan, kaya yan hindi kayo makaiwas. Kasi, tawag dito, hindi ka pa motivated. Yun lang. Ang masasabi ko lang, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung goal mo. And lagi mo isipin, come on guys, yung mga unhealthy food na kinakain nyo, yung mga favorite na food ninyo, yan, nandyan lang yan, hindi yan mawawala. Kahit bukas, kahit sa next month, meron pa rin yung mga yan, nandyan lang yan. Yung time na pwede nyong i-google sa pagpapaganda ng body, kailan pa, di ba? Matagal yun, matagal yung gugugulin. Paano kung late ka na naka-realize na, I'll start working out na and magpaganda ng katawan, pero you were super duper fat and hirap ka ng gumalaw. It's gonna be too late for you, or it's gonna be a long process pa for you. Pero kung ngayon pa lang iisipin mo na, nga naman, yung food nandyan lang, anytime pwede kong kainin kung gusto ko, might as well gawin ko na lang siyang reward sa sarili ko. Mag-workout muna ako for 5 days, 6 days, and then Sunday kakainin ko siya.
Tama.
Tikman ko siya. Ganon.
That's a good one. Okay, bro, we have here from Alisa Rose Arena. Ano po ang inyong new normal workout or exercise routine? O nga, bro, paano ba ang new normal exercise routine mo rito ngayon? Medyo limited kasi wala tayo sa gym. Sa loob lang tayo ng bahay ngayon.
Well, yes. It's limited. It's you can use that as an excuse. But kapag talaga gym addict ka, gagawa ka ng paraan makabuhat ka lang, 'di ba? So, tawag dito, nung nag-start yung quarantine, that was March 2nd week. First week, second week, mga ganon. Nung nag-start siya, nag-usap kami ni Coach Albert Tiongson. Matagal ko na siyang kakilala. He's a good friend of mine. And nag-guest na rin siya dito regarding fitness. Nag-usap kami and tawag dito, naisip namin na maggawa ng community ng workout na nag-workout every day virtually. So, nag-conduct kami ng Zoom workout every 4 p.m. That's Monday to Thursday rest day on Friday, and then Saturday.
That's a good
Tawag
one.
dito, yun yung naging new normal namin. Tawag dito, and then there are people na nag-workout na nasa ibang bansa, nasa UK, nasa Singapore, nasa Hong Kong, different countries. And what's good thing about this one is they really find time to work out. Kahit na different time zone sila, yung mga nasa UK, or kung nasa ang lupalop ng bansa man sila, tawag dito, or dito sa Philippines, merong mga taga Cebu, merong taga Batangas, or different provinces dito sa atin. But still, they really find time. Ang motivation ko sa kanila is number one, 4 p.m. Kung kunyari, today, 4 p.m. Di ba, usually naman, pagod, tamad ka kapag 4 p.m., di ba? What you do is like, sit sa sofa, watch YouTube, or whatever that is, kain ng pagkain, merienda. But minotivate ko sila by saying na wala ka namang gagawin, mag-Netflix ka lang, kakain ka lang, and then, pagkatapos mong kumain, ang problema mo, kumain ka ng madami. Di ba? Yun yung problema natin usually.
True.
Pero, iba yung problema mo na pagod ka. Pero yung pagod na masarap because you had a good workout. Yun yung lagi kong motivation sa kanila. So, tawag dito, I'm happy because this community is growing and growing each day. And mas nagiging motivated sila every day. Although, syempre, nag-start na yung work. May mga nag-work na sa bahay. Meron na rin mga work din ng skeletal sa office nila. So medyo nabawasan pero still may mga pumapasok na bago. And kahit na may work na, ang nangyari, nagkaroon kami ng 8 p.m. na workout. So after 4 p.m., the 8 p.m. slot is for mga workers, mga late umuwi na. Para at least makapag-workout pa rin sila and makahabol. Kasi ang sabi ko sa kanila, kasi we've been doing the workout for almost 3 months, more than 3 months or 4. Ang sabi ko sa kanila, tawag dito, wag nilang sayangin kasi sayang yung 3 months.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Hindi madaling gugulin 'yun. And what we do is like functional HIIT workout. And tawag dito, nakakapagod siya but it's really effective. Nakita ko sa mga nag-workout sa amin since day 1 till now. As in, ang laki ng difference nila, pumayat sila, yung iba nag-gain ng muscles, they're ripped now, and continuously ginagawa pa din nila, they still join our workout, and yun, sabi ko sa kanila, wag nilang sayangin. Actually, ang gamit lang namin is mga water bottles and gallons, yun lang ang gamit namin, and body weight. So guys, for all of you who's watching right now, if you have time, every 4 p.m., that's Monday to Thursday, and then rest day ng Friday, tapos resume ng Saturday. If you want to join our virtual workout, please do join our virtual workout. This will gonna be a helpful workout for you guys, and this is really good for your health.
Exactly. Alam mo, Larbs, yung ginagawa nyo ngayon, no, it's very, very good kasi motivation, kailangan ng marami to, lalo nung nag-lockdown. Kasi kailangan ng push natin eh. So it's very good kasi you're helping the community, you're helping a lot of people to stay
motivated. And this is free, This is free.
It's free, Okay. So, paano nila malaman yan, Larbs? Pinopost mo naman lagi on your Instagram to, no? So they know the schedule.
Yes. Pwede ba tayo mag-flash dito ng I am Larbs? Ganon, para alam nila kung sa Instagram or just ito.
Ayan yan. Ayan. Instagram, I am Larbs.
I am Larbs. Ano natin? Para makita nyo guys, para hindi kayo mahirapang mag-search. Okay, wait. I am Larbs. This is how you spell my name.
Actually, ayan na, posted na on natin. Posted
yan, I am Larbs. Kita nyo?
Yon, okay.
I am Larbs. That's my Instagram. So all you have to do is to message me, and I'll give you the link 15 minutes before 4 p.m. para makapag-workout tayo, di ba?
Okay.
Tayo hindi lang ako, as in marami tayo.
Okay. Ito, meron tayong question dito, Larbs.
Yep.
What are the ways that you can still be active? Although medyo na-tackle natin to, pero ano nga ba yung other ways to you can still be active, lalo na ngayon, no? So, I believe, you can do walking, if your surrounding is safe or kung wala talagang tao, I suggest maybe you go out or you jog like yung mga off time, like early morning or yung medyo late na para walang masyadong tao sa labas. Well, if you have something like nga sabi ni Larby kanina, kung meron kayong mga water jug dyan, pwede mo gamitin yan. And of course, you can join yung community ni Larby. This is via Zoom, Larbs, right?
Yes, via Zoom.
Okay. Yeah, you can still, even at home, you can still do your weight training. You can use fill the water bottles or cans or jars. You can find anything na pwedeng makadagdag on your weight training. You can still do yoga. You can still do Pilates. Still do Pilates at the comfort of your own home. You can.
May mga Pilates na online din.
Yeah. Hello sa mga nanonood. Yeah. So alam mo yung mga even on stairs, you can go up and down the stairs. That's additional workout for you, right? You can still do sit-ups and jumps. Right? If you have a garden, you can still do your gardening. That's a good workout also for you.
Yeah.
And you can do yuko. Yuko. You can still do
your core.
Yuko. You can do dancing, wala namang makakapanood sa'yo. You can do whatever dance you want, but it's a good, very, very good cardio workout. And of course, you can join the virtual fitness classes katulad ng nabanggit ni Lardy kanina. Kanina
may nabasa nga ako nakalagay, sabi niya Zumba daw. Yes. Oo naman.
Via Zoom, yeah. Kanina may nagtanong dito, medyo mabilis lang yung mga comments natin, pero gaano ba daw karaming cup ng rice ang kailangan kainin kapag nag-workout, Larbs?
Well, depende, gaano bang kalaki yung cup mo? Yung iba kasi yung cup nila isang balde ng but well, on a serious note, of course 1 cup of rice is enough. Tawag dito, isipin nyo na lang, pwede nyo naman kayong kumain anytime ng isang cup after working out or like sa lunch, after ng lunch nyo, hindi kainin nyo sa dinner or sa merienda. Wag full meal na sobrang dami kasi kapag nabibigla yung body natin, mas mahirap i-burn yun, guys. Or lalo na kung hindi naman kayo nag-workout ng intense, tapos hindi nyo rin kayang i-burn, wag na kayong kumain ng sobrang dami. Sakto lang na mafe-feel nyo na busog kayo. Hindi yung mafe-feel nyo na para kayong balyena.
That's true. Diba? Kasi alam mo, anything na sobra sa pinasok natin, na in-intake natin, that's going to be stored as fat. So, kailangan balance. Kung yung kinakain mo, mas tapatan mo ng mas intense pa yata na workout.
Yes, oo. And mas makakakuha ka ng mas magandang reward sa body mo nun, as in improvement.
Exactly. So, we have here from Rain Ison Manyo. Okay. For a mom like me, what is the best workout for me po na di na kailangan ng equipment kasi wala po kaming equipment pang exercise?
Well, Mommy Rain, actually marami namang home workout na kahit walang weight. Pero tawag dito, I would suggest like pwede kayong mag-butt workout, pwede kayong mag-squat, ganyan, mga push-ups na mga pangbabaeng push-ups. You can do like high knees, jumping jacks. Those are mga workouts na routines, exercises na hindi mo kailangan ng weight. And then, kapag you feel that you are strong enough, then tawag dito, saka ka mag-add ng weight. Ganun lang naman yun. Maraming ways para mag-workout ka at home na hindi mo kailangan ng equipment.
That's true.
Basta may mattress ka lang na pwede mong yung like yoga mat para at least kung ka mag-workout, diba? Tawag dito, marami kang ways. Number 1 sa YouTube, pwede ka mag-search din dyan. Sa YouTube, marami kang matututunan dyan na mga workout routines for beginners.
Okay. Tama ka doon, Larbs. We also have here from Bobby Pandoy. Do you have a specific diet that you follow? Is fasting effective?
Well, I haven't tried fasting. Tawag dito, yung diet ko is very, actually si Coach Albert ang gumawa ng diet plan ko. It's actually full 6 meals. Tawag dito, but it's really effective sa akin kasi depende sa goal mo yun. Yung goal ko nung binigay niya yung diet ko was to get lean and the ripped body. So, kasi I was really fat nung pag-uwi ko galing Dubai. That was February to March. So parang I had different trips abroad. So bago yung Dubai. And lagi kong sinasabi na nag-excuse ako sa sarili ko na next time na lang ako mag-workout kasi kaya ko naman. Hindi ko namamalayan na kaka-next time ko, ang taba ko na. Totoo yun, guys. Sobrang active ko na mag-workout. Sobrang active ko na talaga mag-workout. Pero as in, nung tinignan ko yung katawan ko, sabi ko, so I took the chance. Itong community na to. Kasi alam mo, sobrang nakatulong sa akin. Naging motivated ako. And tawag dito, yung tipong yung pagdating ng 3 p.m., lagi na ako nagtitimpla ng coffee. Kailangan ko na magtimpla ng coffee kasi I know that 4 p.m. will be our workout. And kapag di ako nag-workout, sinong magtuturo sa kanila? Ganon. So parang naging motivation ko siya. Naging ano ko siya, parang energy ko siya. Kumbaga parang, siyempre, parang kailangan ko silang, parang kailangan ako motivated din bago sila i-motivate ko. So parang ganon. Tawag dito, when it comes to diet, napunta na tayo sa workout. When it comes to diet, it depends. Tawag dito, kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, less ka muna sa food intake, yung mga mas nakakataba. Again, mas sobrang tamis at mas sobrang maalat, yan po ay nakakataba.
That's true. We have here Larbs from Angie Matias. Payat lang po ako. Ano po bang pwedeng exercise na pwede kong gawin sa bahay and to boost my immune system?
Tawag dito, mag-vitamins ka to boost your immune system. Number 1 yan. Nakakatulong yan sa ating katawan. And of course, yung mga exercise, actually, nasagot na natin yung mga pwede sa YouTube, mga beginners na home workout for girls. Pwede rin kayo mag-search. And when it comes naman dahil sa body mo, kung payat ka, kung depende rin yan sa goal mo. Ano bang gusto mo? Mas mag-thin ka pa? Or mas lumapad ka, I mean, mas magkalaman-laman ka. Kasi, tawag dito, when it comes to gaining, of course, you want, kung gusto mo ma-achieve yung medyo buff, or, ito tip ko naman to sa guys din and sa girls. Kung gusto mo na mag-gain ka, of course, you need to eat and take vitamins. And sa amin guys, ang ginagawa namin, ako, nung payat ako nun, talagang kain ako plus nagsusupplement ako supplement na mas magigain ako and as in extra workout talaga kasi ang goal ko nun is lumaki. So yun, ang ginawa ko, kumain lang ako ng kumain plus nung na-achieve ko na yung saktong weight na gusto ko and yung saktong tawag dito build, saka ako nag-less ng food, saka ako unti-unting nag-less din ng workout, yung nung maintenance na. Ganon.
Oh, tama ka dyan. Larbs, we have here motivation and support. I believe kanina na-discuss natin tong motivation and support. Yeah. No? Kasi it's very important right now. We have all the support group. We have all the motivation. Kasi talaga naman kasi if you're alone, especially if you're alone, ang hirap ng wala na mag-push sa'yo if you're working out. No? So if you guys needed extra motivation and support, Larby and Coach Albert is hosting is this every day, Larbs? Yung Zoom?
Yes, that's we have. So guys, again, we have a Zoom virtual workout if you guys want to join and gusto niyo nang mag-transform from different body to a sexy one. Please do join us. That's every Monday to Thursday, 4 p.m. po yan. Sharp, 4 p.m. via 4 p.m. Zoom. So binibigay ko yung link 15 minutes before 4 p.m. para din maka-join ng lahat. And tawag dito, all you need to do is to PM me. PM is the key. It's on my Instagram at IamLarbs. So that's IAMLARBS as in boy. And yun, there you go. Naka-flash the screen, IamLarbs. I-message nyo lang po ako and then I'll give you the Zoom meeting ID. And then let's work out together. It's gonna be a fun workout, always.
Yes. Okay. Larbs, I have here, this is very debatable now. Should runners wear face masks outside? What do you think?
Yes. I think yes. Kasi I tried, pero para sa mga medyo may sa puso, parang I think sa bahay na lang kayo mag-workout. Pero kung talagang gusto niyo tumakbo at sabi ng inyong lugar ay ng mga dyan sa lugar ninyo, mga officials ay pwede na. Then go outside and run. Pero, syempre, number one pa rin is the safety of our, di ba? Yung health natin. So, you need to wear face mask. Kailangan talaga mag-wear ka ng face mask kahit saan. Kahit saan. Mas maganda ng safe tayo at sigurado. And, again, kung nag-face mask kayo at medyo hirap kayo huminga, stop muna kayo. Pahinga. Di ba? Pahinga muna and then continue. Kung feeling nyo na nahihirapan kayo, then you should stop talaga na magtakbo.
Exactly. You know, alam ko kasi marami ako naririnig ganito, wearing face mask, you know, they feel very, you know, claustrophobic. But of course, it's very important that we wear face mask kasi that's number one na ina-advise sa atin. Kasi first, of course, importante, we need to assess our surroundings. Kasi it's very important kung tumatakbo ka, may katabi ka, bukod sa wearing your face mask, of course, kailangan we have to at least, according to CDC, we have to at least, you know, maglagay tayo ng 6 feet na distansya dun sa harapan or katabi natin para at least hindi natin nalalanghap kung ano man. Because everyone is a suspect for COVID, right? So it's very important na maglagay pa rin tayo ng distance natin.
Yes.
Okay. So I have here another thing. Face mask again. Could wearing a mask be harmful to the runner?
I think nasagot na namin. Yun nga. Kung feeling mo na hindi ka makahinga, kasi actually kahit nga hindi ka naka-face mask when you're doing your home routines at home, tawag dito, may times talaga na dahil sa sobrang init, hirap kang huminga. So you need to stop. You need to stop and rest. Kasi like ako, parang sa tingin ko, malakas na yung immune system ko and malakas ako when it comes to, yung stamina ko malakas when I do my routines. But there are times talaga na dahil sa sobrang init, hindi maiwasan na mahihilo ka or hindi ka makakahinga or mag-iinit yung face mo kasi yun nga, may ganung instances eh. So, extra ingat lang. Kasi tawag dito, mas maganda ng number one yan lagi. Hindi na natin aalisin yan. Safety ng health natin. Number one. Kaya face mask, number one, kailangan natin. And of course, alcohol, always. Gawin nyo na yan. Kung kinakailangan na meron kayong alcohol na naka-chain yan sa leeg ninyo, i-chain nyo na. At, or sa bulsa ninyo, idikit nyo. Dahil sobrang importante niyan. Diba?
Exactly. Actually, alam mo, marami kasi ako ring na-receive na ganito na questions, no? Kasi, alam ko kasi guys, wearing face mask can be very, very uncomfortable, especially if you're running. Pero yung iba kasing nabasa ko mga questions nila, what if daw it can cause hypercapnia? Hypercapnia, this of course actually when there is an excess of carbon dioxide in the blood. Kasi iniisip kasi nila if they breathe too much, nakasakal masyado sila yung mask nila, they felt like na magkakaroon sila ng hypercapnia or magkakaroon sila ng problema sa lungs nila. But guys, to clarify again, hindi nanggagaling doon sa mask niyo yung hypercapnia. Hypercapnia kasi ang causes nito, it include your lung disease or you're going to have you're not breathing properly or like having an asthma attack. It's a different, you're going to have a hypercapnia kapag if you are exposed to volcanic eruptions which have a very large amount of carbon dioxide. So, it's very, very important that we wear our masks, of course, not just for medical reason, but also for social reasons. Of course, let's not forget, hindi lang ikaw ang kailangan mag-mask, but of course, we need to be very aware yung mga kasama natin na kailangan, for social reasons, kailangan isipin natin yung iisipin nila, yung pakiramdam nila if you're not wearing it.
Actually, ito nga pumasok ako sa isang convenience store. Tawag dito, pagpasok ko, everyone was wearing masks except these two guy. And of course, kahit sabihin mo na nakatakip sila ng ganyan, diba? Or ganyan sila, or nakatakip sila, it's still not safe for them, diba? Hindi lang bukod sa health mo iniisip mo, pero sa kanila, diba? And that's then, true. Parang galit pa sila na tinitignan sila. Pero kasi diba, it's a must na eh. Kailangan na nating magsuot. Yun na yung tinatawag natin na new normal, diba?
That's true, that's true. Meron tayo ditong medyo mabilis yung natin. From Kimi Pio Alcantara, any tips or suggestion on how to gain weight at home this new normal? Because I'm breastfeeding mom, minsan na ding bumaba ang aking immune system. How to gain weight? Ang sarap ng ano, no? Ang sarap ng ganito, no? Okay, how to gain weight. Okay.
Yun ang problema, no? Gaining weight. Because number one, when you're gaining weight, you have to eat. Number one yan. And of course, yung para hindi bumaba ang immune system, Cosmo C. Ayan po.
Cosmo C.
Cosmo C. It's a vitamin. Ayan. Actually, nagtitake ako yan every day. As in, talaga. Yung vitamin C na yan, it's really helpful. Tawag dito, it gives you energy as well kasi it's vitamin C. And tawag dito, bukod doon, yun nga, kailangan mong kumain and kung kayang mag-workout at home, kahit na new normal lang tayo, if you have time, if kayo po ay mommy, workout po tayo. Zumba, mga sayo-sayo, mga ganyan. TikTok. Yan, makakatulong po yan.
Okay, tama ka dyan, Larbs. Okay, meron tayo dito. What are the foods for immune system to start eating right now? Ikaw ba, Larbs? Ano ba yung mga usual na kinakain mo for to boost your immune system? Kasi magka-partner yan. Having a good weight and immune system, kailangan magkasama lagi.
Yes. Ako, ang meron akong food dito, hindi nawawala, is banana, and then lemon, yan, and apple. Yun yung mga yun yung mga fruits ko dito. Pero hindi ako mahilig magbili ng sobrang daming fruits. Tawag dito, yung banana ko, kinakain ko yun kapag snack time, ganyan, before workout or after workout. And then yung mansanas naman, every morning, ganyan. Then yung lemon, sinisimpla ko. It's tawag dito, marami pang immune system na pwede, like for example, yun nga, yung mga fruits, na pwede nyo siyang makain in a different way. Depende, nagiging, ang tao ngayon, chef na. Di ba?
Yes.
I'm sure kahit ikaw, Sir Nino, di ba? Chef ka na din ngayon, di ba? Kasi sa bahay,
nagluluto na tayo. Yes.
Lutuin ng kahit ano. And ang dami na ring natutong mag-business ngayon ng food na hindi naman nila akalaing magagawa nila before. And tawag dito, kahit nasa bahay ka, kahit new normal na, marami ka pa rin pwedeng gawin, marami ka pa rin pwedeng kainin in different ways. Sa way na alam mong makakain mo siya. Diba?
Exactly. Actually, alam mo, Larbs, nung nag-start yung quarantine, since we don't have anything to do, and meron kasi kaming garden sa backyard, so I have a chance na makapagtanim ng gulay. So for the very first time, ng gulay, may tanim na kaming gulay. We have ashitaba, which is very, very good for lowering the cholesterol and lowering the blood sugar. Yes. I also have what else? I also have the kamote tops, which is very, very good. You can use that as your salad. Well, I have chilies, I have bell peppers.
Okay then.
Malunggay, yeah. I have no, I don't have malunggay kasi medyo mahirap yun. I have tomatoes already, which is very, very
nice.
good. It has lycopene. I have I actually have mint for my cocktails. Mint. No, I'm just kidding.
Wow.
For my cocktails. No,
walang mint pero I have cocktails.
You have cocktails. Okay. Okay, so marami tayong pwedeng ngayong nandito tayo ngayon sa quarantine. Ang dami nating pwedeng gawin. You can even plant your own immune system booster na mga pagkain. So guys, yan yung tutukan natin ngayon. So I have here what to avoid. Okay, what to avoid ba na food? All right.
Saan? Saan ba yan? Anong aspect?
Ano daw dapat na avoid ng pagkain? Okay, na pagkain.
Marami. Sobra. As in, madami. Tawag dito, depende na rin sa'yo kung ano ba lagi mong kinakain. Yun yung dapat mong i-avoid na alam mong hindi healthy. For example, too much eating ng pork, diba? It's not healthy for your, sakto lang. Kain ka lang ng sakto lang na mabibigay niya yung needs mo, diba? Yung cravings mo. Just to satisfy your cravings. Beef, dahan-dahan lang din, especially noodles. Ang noodles kasi, medyo matagal yang mag-burn. So, number 1 yan, na kapag kumain kayo, kumakain ako ng noodles once a week lang or once in 15 days. Kasi matagal talaga siya ma-burn. No joke to, guys. You need to put this inside your mind, your brain. Yan, kasi mahirap siyang ma-burn. And what else? Yun, basta kung ano yung alam mo na sa tingin mong hindi healthy, of course, minsan naman kapag kumakain tayo, one click away na lang. Kung may kakainin ka, you can search for it, yung nutrients niya. And kung okay ba siyang kainin, healthy ba siya, ganyan. So, basta eating too much ng kung anong kinakain mo na nakaugalian mo is not good. Sakto lang.
That's true. And of course, you have to avoid processed food and sugars. Kasi ito kasi yung mga foods that may increase, the inflammation in our bodies, which can make it more difficult for us to fight the good battle, guys. So, of course, but everything should be in moderation. Everything should be a balanced diet.
Yes.
So, ayan, actually, Lorbs, marami pa tayong mga katanungan na pwedeng sagutin. Pero maya-maya lang, i-raffle natin ang mga mananalo ng 10,000 pesos na cash, the load,
oh my God.
Supplements.
They are so excited about this.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So again, may lumalabas naman kung paano kayo makakasali and tawag dito. All you need to do is to, get a chance to win 10,000 cash, 350 cell phone load, and of course, yung Cosmo Body items, yung mga vitamins, workout supplements. So all you need to do is to watch us and tag 5 friends on the comment section.
Exactly. So, Larbs, alam mo, bago natin i-announce or sagutin yung ibang mga questions nila, of course, we have to pause for a while for a quick commercial break. Diyan muna kayo, guys.
Yep. Okay.
Feel sexy and healthy with a balanced diet, exercise, and with the recommended dose of Cosmo Body Advanced Garcinia Cambogia. Formulated with the revolutionary HCA that can help suppress appetite and blocks excess carbohydrates. Can anything be sexier than this? Cosmo Body Advanced with Garcinia Cambogia.
Can your skin look and feel 10 years younger? Well, mine can. With Cosmo Skin, Marine Collagen. Formulated with 20,000 milligrams of collagen. Renewing your skin from within. Making it visibly more vibrant and young looking. Because seeing is believing.
Euphoria Max Advanced Formula, shown to dramatically increase muscle size, endurance, and strength while effectively reducing muscle damage. Packed with potent ingredients, L-arginine, Tribulus terrestris, Epimedium extract, and Tongkat alii for high-quality muscle mass. Euphoria Max, the ultimate supplement for limitless performance.
And we're back, guys. There you go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's up? Welcome back. Okay. So, kanina pinag-usapan natin what to avoid. I have here naman another question, what to eat naman. I believe, nasabi na yata natin kanina yung mga masustansya at saka yung mga immunity system booster na pagkain, no? Of course, it's very obvious, just eat by just eating healthy and clean. That's your best bet, guys. When you feed your body nutrient-rich foods, you keep it in the best shape possible to fight off illness, whether it is COVID-19 or the flu or just a common cold. It's very important that we eat a lot of immune system booster na pagkain. I recommend plant-based foods as well as the citrus fruits because it's rich in vitamin C. We have tomatoes, of course, it has lycopene. The cruciferous vegetables, omega fats and odd numbers like omega-3s that you can find in salmon, the chia, the flaxseed, omega-9s that you can find it in olive oil, in walnut, or if you have almonds, all of this food, can really help you decrease the inflammation for your body, which can be very, very important in fighting or your defense against COVID-19. So you have to stay up to date with your daily vitamin intake. And of course, it's very important you take your vitamin C, which is very, very vital for immune cell function like Cosmo C. Guys, it's very important, speaking of Cosmo C, kasi ang next question nila dito, how important is supplementation? Ikaw muna sumagot niyan, Larbs.
Okay. Tawag dito dati kasi, nung nag-start ako, actually, sa fitness world, medyo ko siya sa fitness world. Nung nag-start ako sa fitness, tawag dito, yung community ko, medyo hindi sila into supplements. So, parang medyo hesitant ako nung dati na mag-supplement. So, when it comes to supplements, yung mga BCAA, mga whey supplements for your body, yung mga for your muscles, tawag dito, what else? Mga glutamine, ganyan, etc., etc. Tawag dito, medyo hesitant akong gamitin. But, nung talagang kailangan ko na magpalaki talaga, kasi payat ako before eh. So, nung kinailangan ko magpalaki, nag-invest talaga ako for a good supplement na makakatulong sa akin when I do my workout routines. So, nag-whey protein shake ako. Nag-start ako with that. And I could say that it really helped me achieve yung body goal na gusto ko talaga. And tawag dito, basta safe yung iniinom nyo na supplement, yung tinetake ninyo, dapat registered siya, di ba? It's really important, sir, ninyo. Basta tawag dito, kasi meron din namang mga pa-natural, yung ayaw nila ng supplement. But it's gonna be a long process and medyo mahirap yun. Not unless seryoso ka sa diet, sa food, etc., etc. Ang dami niyang kino-consider na kailangan mong gawin. So, tawag dito, kung gusto mo nang mas matutulungan kang mapabilis, of course, you need to take supplements. So like ako, I take fat burner before mag-workout. And it helps me. Kasi nagiging hindi lang siya masama. If you take fat burners, hindi mo i-burn. Hindi ka naman magtatakbo, hindi ka mag-workout. So hindi mo siya nalalabas, hindi mo siya nasi-sweat. Okay? So it's really important. Number one rule din yun. Kung magsusupplement ka, para saan ba yun? Kung para sa workout yun, then you need to work out.
Exactly.
So it's really important.
That's true. So, supplementation is very important kasi, let's say, for example, our body needs L-carnitine. So, yung L-carnitine kasi, usually, nakukuha natin yan sa red meat. We can also get it in fish and even in poultries. Kaya lang kasi, imagine how many grams or how many kilograms of red meat that you need to eat para makuha mo yung required na L-carnitine natin. So, it's very important supplements kasi that's the reason why we have supplements is to support yung kulang pa doon sa nakukuha natin sa daily diet natin. So it's very important that you take L-carnitine because it's very good for thermogenesis, guys. Thermogenesis, just to explain, this is a process in which your body fat is converted into energy, which we really need kasi ito yung mga stored fats natin na kailangan ma-use natin for energy. So it boosts your energy and it boosts also your metabolism. Okay? So, another thing for supplementation, vitamin C, kasi paulit-ulit natin yung ina-advise. Actually, alam mo, mula yata nung namula tayo, vitamin C is very important because it really boosts your immune system. Vitamin C, you can get it from citrus fruit. You can get it from lemon. You can get it from anything that is citrus. There's a lot of fruits there na may vitamin C. But of course, we need supplementation because not every day these citrus fruits are available para magamit natin. Not every day you can eat a lot of lemons or calamansi. So we need a supplementation to support yung kailangan pa natin. That's why Larbs, yung pinimigay natin ngayon, we have Cosmo Body L-carnitine and Cosmo C. Okay, isa to sa mga pinimigay natin. Okay. Kasabayan ko yung turotot mo. Okay, so of course your L-carnitine, guys, Alam niyo na to kasi pinapakita naman natin sa commercial break natin kanina. We have L-carnitine here. This contains 250 milligrams of L-carnitine and 250 milligrams of green tea extract na kailangan natin kapag nag-workout tayo. Or even every day, kailangan natin, we wake up in the morning or 30 minutes before or after meal, we need to take supplementation like L-carnitine and green tea. Kasi mas mabilis mag-transform yung fats natin na maging energy. So it's very, very good. Okay?
And guys, nag-take ako niyan. It really helps me a lot kapag nag-workout.
Okay. So, paano mo ba tinitake to? Actually, may nagtanong dito kanina, paano mo tinitake yung Cosmo Body Larbs?
Ako tinitake, yung vitamins, tinitake ko siya every morning. Okay. Yung vitamins. And then the L-carnitine, plus meron pa akong isa, yung actually, pinagsasabay ko yung BCAA plus yung L-arginine or sometimes L-carnitine. Tawag dito, tinitake ko siya yung dalawa before workout, an hour before workout or 30 minutes before workout. Pero mas tinetake ko siya ng siguro mga 1 hour. Yun na yung lagi. Tapos, kung gusto ko ng mabilisan na effect, ginagawa ko, hinahalo ko siya sa coffee.
Okay.
Yeah, hinahalo ko sa coffee. Tapos yun, before workout, tawag dito, I really sweat so much. As in, sobrang dami. As in, tsaka kasi kapag nagsisweat ka, yung feeling mo, as in feeling mo energized ka and you're super strong because you're sweating so much, di ba? All the mga toxins sa body mo, nilalabas mo.
Nilalabas, yeah. So, that's very good. Alam mo, I think that's yan yata yung batayan ng isang good workout, no, Larbs, if you sweat a lot. Because if you still look cute by the end of your workout, that means you're not doing enough for your exercise. Tama ba, Larbs?
Yes. Oo. Ako sa akin based on my personal experience, tawag dito, nagwo-work sa akin yung sweat. As in, pag sobrang pawis ako, feeling ko ang dami ko na-burn, feeling ko, tawag dito, ang dami kong nailabas na calories, ganyan, na-burn na calories. So, yeah.
Exactly. So, ayun nga, of course, we need vitamin C, Larbs, because this boosts our immunity. You know, the Cosmo C, this is a non-acidic vitamin C because it contains citrus bioflavonoids and sodium ascorbate. So, alam naman natin, marami may problema ngayon sa hyperacidity and you need to take your vitamin C. So, ang hirap kung medyo acidic yung vitamin C mo. So, you take vitamin C na hindi acidity or kasi alam mo ang Cosmo C, ito kasi, it's a very natural vitamin C because galing to sa citrus bioflavonoids, guys. So this is not your synthetic vitamin C because this one is different from citrus fruits and contains the bioflavonoids na kailangan natin, which is 5 times more effective than the regular vitamin C. And alam nyo, guys, aside from L-carnitine, yung mga hindi nakakaalam, we also have the Garcinia cambogia. The Garcinia cambogia,
nice. Yes.
This is a good appetite suppressant. Yung mga nagtatanong kanina, if you guys cannot control what you're eating or ilang cup ba ng rice ang kailangan mong kainin. So I think control, kung di mo makontrol yung sarili mo, I think Garcinia cambogia is an effective way for you to control your appetite.
Oh, alam nyo na, kayong mga nanonood na mga mahilig kumain at nagtanong kanina kung paano nyo kokontrolin ang food ninyo, there's still a way naman.
Exactly.
Try this supplement at makakatulong to sa inyo, Garcinia cambogia.
Okay, we have here, basahin lang natin mga comment nila. We have from Mary Sanchez. Thank you po, Cosmo Skin and Sir Larb. Super helpful and very informative po nitong live ninyo. Ang dami ko pong natutunan. And as a mom, big help ito for me para mapanatiling healthy ako sa mga anak ko. God bless you both.
Of course, oo naman.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay,
meron tayo dito from Rain Manio. Winner na ako sa mga natutunan ko sa episode na to. Of course, daming takeaways plus yung mga di ko alam noon na enlighten ako ngayon lalo na sa mga do's and don'ts natin. Of course. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, we have here, okay, ang dami nag-comment ngayon. Medyo mabilis yung, we have here from Jennifer Porton, nakakagaan sa katawan ang pag-exercise, lalo na may Cosmo C vitamins. Wow, thank you very much. Yes, it's very, very good. It boosts your immunity. Perfect. Okay.
Yes. Oo nga, dami nagko-comment.
Dami nagko-comment sa atin ngayon. So thank you so much, guys, sa panonood nyo sa amin. Sabi ni Queenie Manse, sabi nila healthy daw pagpawisin. Totoo po ba yun? Kasi pawisin ako kahit hindi naman ako masyado nag-workout. Bro, how do you answer that? Okay.
Hindi kasi ako pawisin, so but I'm still healthy. So, binapawisan lang ako ng sobra kapag nag-workout ako ng sobra. And tawag dito, hindi ko alam talaga pag sa mga pawisin kung paano yon. But kung if you feel na pumapayat ka kapag pinapawisan ka, then it's a good thing.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing, yes.
Diba?
Okay. Well, actually, alam mo, pag pawisin ka, how do we do this? Of course, it's good for you kasi yung toxins mo nalalabas mo, na-excrete yung toxins mo. That's a very good sign from your body na unti-unti nalalabas mo yung toxin mo. Pero kasi hindi lahat ng tao katulad ko, hindi kasi ako pawisin eh. So medyo double effort ako kapag nag-workout. Kailangan ko ng cardio exercises or kailangan ko ng high intensity training para ma-sweat out ko lang yung yung pawis ko. But it's good for you kasi you can, sabi ko nga, na-excrete mo lahat ng pawis mo agad. Okay? I have here Angelica Pastaño. Ano po ang masuggest nyo na exercise for metabolism? Okay, exercise for metabolism, siguro, of course, you do a lot of your cardio workout and exercise for metabolism, ikaw ba, Lars? Paano mo ba kukonek yung exercise and metabolism? Well, if you're working out, if you're moving a lot, that's a very good, it spike up your metabolism.
Yes, oo. Tawag dito, yun nga, gano'n naman yun eh. If you are motivated, as in, ano na yun eh, everything follows. Yung metabolism mo, and yun nga, kapag nag-workout kami, minsan kasi kapag tamad ka talaga. Pero minsan, I believe na pwede ka magbigay ng energy through work, through whatever they see. That's why it's really effective yung Zoom workout namin. It's because, ang tawag dito, before, nag-start kami ng Instagram lang. So, pa-share lang kami ng live. Dalawa lang yung nasa screen. Naka-split screen kami. Medyo nakulangan ako because hindi ko nakikita lahat eh. And nung nag-start kami mag-workout nun, dumadami na yung sumasabay mag-workout. So, we decided to move to Zoom application and try that. And it's really effective. Nakakataas siya ng feeling ng energy. And tawag dito, kapag nakikita mo sa screen na may mga kasabay ka mag-workout.
That's true. Motivation. Of course, yung metabolism mo, I believe wala namang tama or maling exercise. Or wala namang magja-judge sa'yo kung anong tama or maling exercise. As long as you're sweating it out, you listen to your body. Nararamdaman mo naman yan eh. Kung ano yung tama or ano yung mali, kung kailan naging effective sa'yo yung workout or kung kailan kulang yung workout para sa'yo.
Yes. Course, tama.
When using weights or yung mga machines, siguro doon natin masasabi kung kailan yung tamang position ng kamay, tama ba?
Yes, importante yan. Kasi if you don't know the right position when doing your exercises, pwede kang mabalian. Exactly. Pwede hindi mo nahihit yung tamang muscles. So ang tendency, nagsasayang ka lang ng energy and napapagod ka lang. So number one, if you do your exercise routine, make sure na kahit na maliliit na weights lang yan, dapat tama yung form na ginagawa mo.
That's true. Okay, I have here Alisa Rose Arena. Salamat po sa buhay nyo. Cosmoskin and Larby, super motivated na ako to be fit. Ito na siguro ang sign ng Lord. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. At na-encourage Totoo yan. Ito na yung sign ng Lord for you, ha? So, thank you so much na inspire ka sa wellness talk natin ngayon. Meron tayo dito from Rain Manyo. Nakaka-happy din yung mga ganitong live talaga. Worth it ang panonood kasi ang daming natututunan. Thank you so much, Rain. And of course,
ito. Si Ken Steven. Steven Jun, ang sabi niya, mas okay daw bang makipag-workout sa marunong na mag-workout kaysa sa wala pang masyadong alam mag-workout? Of course. Of course. Oo, number one. Oo. Kasi magkakapaan kayo kung wala kayong alam. 'Di ba? And minsan ito nangyayari yan sa gym. Marami kang makikitang ganyan yung ganito gawin mo, tinuturuan niya yung friends niya. But he is teaching his friends the wrong way. So, tawag dito, syempre mahirap naman mangialam. But sometimes, if heavy na yung binubuhat nila, I teach them. Nangingialam ako. Kasi parang for safety din kasi for example, mabigat. Kung mamali ka, pwede kang mabalian dun sa mga, depende sa exercise na ginagawa mo. So, sometimes you have to parang call out someone kapag mali yung ginagawa sa exercise, lalo na kung alam mo din naman na tama yung ituturo mo. So, kung makakatulong naman sa kanila, then it's a good thing.
That's true. That's true. So, meron ka pa ba diyang question, bro?
Question. Ito, hindi. Tawag dito. Sabi ni Roms Romelo, ako nag-workout ako 3 times a week. That's good.
That's good.
Tawag dito, it's enough para makapag-burn ka at mas maging healthy gawin mo na siyang lifestyle talaga, as in it's like eating 3 times a day or 4 times a day, so it's gonna be helpful. Tapos kapag mas lumalakas ka, then increase damihan mo yung days ng workout mo, and I'm pretty sure ma-achieve mo kung ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve na body.
Tama.
Yeah.
Okay, dahil dyan, bro, eto na tayo. Siguro ito na yung pinakahihintay natin.
Oh my God.
Okay. So,
wait, bubuksan ko lang yung ilaw ko.
Okay.
Ayan. Kasi madilim na.
Ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo, guys.
God!
Of course, siguro, simulan muna natin sa supplements. You guys are going to get Cosmo C and Cosmo Body L-Carnitine. So, dalawa yan. Of course, may God. 5 tayong, pipili tayong 5 mananalo kasi the Wellness Talk TV team, pinagsama-sama nila lahat ng sharer and commenters sa ating live ngayon. So, pipili tayo. Para fair tayo, okay. para hindi random yung pagpili natin, i-draw natin, i-raffle natin sa kanila lahat.
Okay. Pero bago ang lahat, pwede ba mag-promote muna ako sa kanila? Guys, if you have time, please do follow me on my social media platform. It's I am Larbs on Twitter and on Instagram. So ayan, nasa screen po. If you have time, please do follow me. And one of the reasons kung bakit pinapa-follow ko kayo is because of fitness, guys. Tawag dito, talagang pinopromote namin ni Coach Albert Tiongson na stay healthy during this pandemic, and tawag dito na kahit nasa bahay kayo, pwede nyo ma-achieve yung body goal na gusto ninyo, pwede kayo maging healthy at the comfort of your home. And tawag dito na libre, guys. Come on. Ang coach po sa gym ay may bayad. And this one, yung ginagawa namin, hindi ko binabrag, pero as in pinagmamalaki ko to ng sobra. Kasi ang daming naging good results tong ginagawa namin na to. And we do this every 4 p.m. Kapag free po kayo, 4 p.m. maki-workout kayo sa amin via Zoom. Tawag dito, that's Monday, Thursday. Ang rest po namin ay Friday, and balik po kami ng Saturday, and then Sunday ulit. Saturday ulit ang balik namin. Sunday. Bali ang rest day namin ay Friday and Sunday. Okay. So yun. Tawag dito, all you need to do is get your mattress or whatever, kung anong sapin ang pwede dyan, and 2 gallons of water, and then we're good to go. Let's work out together. And may enjoy nyo yun, guys, kasi marami tayo. Nakikita nyo sa screen yung mga nag-workout. And tawag dito, maririnig nyo ako na nag-guide, or sometimes si coach, or sometimes yung mga mates ko na lagi nang nag-guide. Kasi tawag dito, ano na sila ang tagal na namin ginagawa siguro, yun nga, 4 months na. So, marunong na sila mag-lead. So, ginagawa ko, hinahati-hati ko sa kanila for them to experience how to work out while counting for everyone. And it's a hard thing kasi to do kasi ang hirap mag-workout na nagka-count ka for everyone na nanonood sa'yo. And it keeps them motivated. Kasi parang syempre, pag nagli-lead sila, parang shit, kailangan kong galingan. Di ba? Or kailangan kong gawin yung tamang posisyon kasi everyone is looking at me. So parang, tawag dito, mamomotivate kayo, guys. If you have a goal, again, please do join us. And follow me on all my social media accounts, and my YouTube din po ako. Just search Larby Policarpio. And yun. Thank you, guys. And huwag kayong munang umalis dahil may mananalo pa ng 10,000 pesos at Cosmo C supplements, and Cosmo Body supplements, and of course, load.
Yes, that's true. So of course, dahil dyan, Larbs, don't forget to follow me guys on Instagram. It's at I am
Yes.
Nino Bautista, of course.
Hey.
And I also have Twitter, that's at Nino Bautista. If you want to know more about health and wellness, mag-usap tayo. I can share with all of you guys yung mga health and wellness tips natin. And dahil dyan,
and last but not the least, shout out sa aking mga virtual bodies. Nandyan sila, nanonood, and my Larbabes. Hello, thank you guys for watching. And sa mga nanonood, thank you so much for tagging and joining us and listening to us. Sana may natutunan kayo today. Maraming salamat and good luck.
yes. And of course, shout out sa medyo hindi nakahabol sa atin ngayon si Coach Albert Chongson. Ayan yung Instagram niya, guys. Kasi meron siyang shoot ngayon. So,
Yes,
Coach
yes,
Albert, we support you on that, of course. So, eto na, guys.
Yes.
There you go. Of course, we have the supplements first.
Oh my God.
Natin. We have here, what's this?
Lagutin.
Lagutin Noraline. Lagutin
Noraline.
Congratulations. Okay.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations, Lagutin Noraline.
Okay, another.
Congratulations. Another one. 5, di ba? 5?
5 tayo, 5. We have
5. Okay.
Sheena May Bautista.
Yay!
Congratulations, Sheena May.
Oh my God.
Happy New Year, guys.
Okay. Oh my God. Ayan, sila Jomer, sila Aaron, sila Dan. Okay, next winner.
We have Mox and Yumi. What's that? Masagnay.
Masagnay.
Mox and
Yay!
Yumi Masagnay. Congratulations. Meron kang supplement.
Congratulations, guys.
Okay.
May turotot ako, di ba?
I have here, okay.
Congratulations. Next.
John Lendil Mateo Vasquez.
Oh, John Lendil Mateo Vasquez.
John Lendil Mateo Vasquez.
Lendil.
Congratulations. Okay,
Yes.
ilan na ba tayo?
He's from my virtual workout buddies.
Virtual
Andyan din si
workout.
Jordach. Andyan din sino pa? Si Aaron, andyan. Si John Mark. Everyone is watching. Mga fitness goal, fitness friends.
Last for supplements, we have Kenneth Maestre Campo.
Maestre Campo.
Kenneth Maestre Campo. Congratulations. Yon.
Andyan din si G. Oy, from virtual bodies ko din yan. Congratulations, Kenneth.
Okay, so syempre,
Yay.
punta na tayo sa, dire-diretso na natin to, punta na tayo
Yes,
sa loob.
yes. Oy guys,
300.
FYI, dinro ito at
Pinag-draw natin to, of course. Yes.
dinro yan at hindi po natin dinadaya.
Of
Okay,
course.
so keep on commenting and tawag dito, pwede pa rin kayo manalo. Okay?
Yes, we have Rachel Halili
Yay!
Drisa. Rachel Halili Drisa, congratulations.
Yeah,
Okay.
congratulations.
We
Oh
have
my God,
here
guys. Kim Matthew is
Alvin.
there as well. Reg is there. Daryl as well.
Alvin.
Concilio. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Meron kang 350 pesos na load. Okay.
Oy, may 350 pesos na load. Oh my God.
We have here
1 month only yun, ha? Honey Gatas.
Honey
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Nakita niyo naman guys, sinandwritten pa ng Wellness Talk TV team yan kasi ngayon pa lang nila sinusulat kung sino yung mga sharer and commenters.
Oh, yeah,
At namin talaga. Yeah.
Go guys,
So,
go guys.
We have here
Next.
Aray ko, ano ba to?
That, you know.
Twin Mama Sarah.
Twin Mama Sarah.
Okay.
Yay!
Okay, of course, we have here, last na ba?
Ito.
Last na to, no? 5 na ba?
Ito. Ilan na?
Okay.
Ilan na?
We have
10,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last na to, 4.
Last.
Marceline.
Marceline.
Maggie.
Maggie. Yay!
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys. Oh my
Ayun po.
God.
Ang pinakahihintay nating lahat, actually marami pa natitira sa loob, pero isa lang ang dapat manalo, of course, ng 10,000 pesos na cash. Guys,
Go guys! Go guys!
good luck sa inyong lahat. Of course, thank you so much
Good
sa
luck.
panonood niyo sa amin. Thank you so much, bro, Larbs, for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. I enjoyed this. Ang goal naman natin is magtulungan, of course. Kailangan natin bumangon lahat. And
Yes.
tawag dito, isa sa way natin is of course to teach them na kung paano ang pag-iingat sa ating health. And tawag dito, makatulong tayo na ma-achieve ang goal nila when it comes to their fitness journey and mga dreams nila na body. So, guys, thank you for watching with us. And tawag dito, sobrang effective ng Cosmo products. As in, makakatulong yan sa inyo, mga Euphoria Max and Cosmo tawag dito, vitamins. So, guys, if you have time para bumili, please, I would definitely recommend this product para sa inyong health. So, good luck sa mananalo, Congratulations, guys.
Exactly. And of course, guys, don't forget all the supplements of Cosmo, Cosmo Skin, Cosmo Body, Cosmo C, and Euphoria Max. These are all available in all Watson's outlet nationwide and available din to online with Watson's, watsons.com.ph. Can we flash there? Watsons.com.ph. And of course, available din siya sa vitafixstore.com. So, if you guys are really worried sa paglabas-labas, we still have the online, and then i-deliver yan.
Okay. Deliver pala sa meron ng delivery. They offer delivery, guys. So, if you guys have internet, of course, yung mga nanonood, meron yan. So, pwede na kayo magpa-deliver ng Cosmo products and Euphoria Max para sa pag-workout ninyo. And dito, ayan, makakatulong yan sa inyo. As in, number 1 yan na makakatulong sa inyo if you have a goal. And, kinakabahan na silang
Ito
lahat.
na to. Of course, ito na tayo. Ang mananalo. Okay, kalugin natin para fair.
Again, ayan. Sige. Again, guys, thank you for watching and follow nyo kami sa social media accounts namin.
Dami pang naritira. Okay,
Oh
pero
my
ito
God.
na kami yung okay.
Nakikita.
Okay. Ito na, ang nanalo. Randy Umali.
Oh my God.
Congratulations, Randy Umali. Nanalo ka ng 10,000 pesos na cash. And of course, congratulations. Swerte, of course. Don't forget yung mga nanalo yung mga nanalo sa atin ngayon, don't forget to send us your via private message, guys. Do not put your name and address and mobile number on the comment section. Put it on the PM. And para makontak kayo ng Wellness Talk TV team namin.
Yes.
Okay? So once again, congratulations. Randy Umali, nanalo ka ng 10,000 pesos na cash.
Oh my God. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sir Alvin, yes, mga nanalo natin. Daryl, sino pa, yung mga friends natin over there. Guys, thank you for watching and supporting this live. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much, Nino and ang Cosmo Body for having me. I hope you guys learned something. And yan, mga nanalo natin, mga virtual bodies ko na nanalo din. Again, hindi namin to inano ha. Nakita nyo naman at sinashake ni Sir Nino. And tawag dito, guys, please, if you have time, please join us sa aming virtual workout. Actually, may virtual workout kami after this. That's 4 p.m. Tawag dito, if you guys have time, and tawag dito, pwede kayong mag-join. And yun nga, yung Cosmo Body, again, meron siya sa Watsons and meron din silang site. Binigay ni Sir Nino dyan. Pwede kayong umorder sa vitafixstore.com. They will deliver it to you. And of course, yung mga nadadaan ng mga Watsons, available din yan dyan. And so it means it's registered, guys. It's safe. Hindi kailangan mag-worry. Diba, Sir Nino?
That's true. Of course, this is 100% safe and registered with FDA and manufactured in CGMP certified laboratory. And dahil dyan, guys, of course, congratulations sa mga nanalo. Yung mga hindi nanalo, don't forget, don't worry kasi weekly naman tayo. We have every Saturday, same time, 2 p.m. So, every week to, tulong natin to sa buong community. We're giving away 10,000 every week. Cell phone load and supplement. So, dyan lang kayo lagi.
Think of that, guys. Pwede kayong manalo ng 10,000 every Saturday. So, tune in lang lagi kayo dito. And of course, bukod sa tune in, tawag dito, dapat may goal tayo, yung stay healthy and stay fit. So, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Okay, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode of Wellness Talk TV. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.